Welcome to yet another unboxing video on the Watch Kaki channel. In today's video, we are going to unbox this Seiko on the review desk, and to be honest, I haven't really seen this kind of packaging before. I've unboxed numerous Seiko watches and this is the first time I've come across this packaging. And of course, this watch here is on loan from our boutique. Thank you very much, Eric, for loaning me these watches, and if I'm not wrong, this is just a generic packaging. And I'm going to flip open the box here, and wow, over here it's got plenty of text going on talking about the company's history and all that. Seiko, and ta-da! So this is the watch we're going to unbox for today. Just take it out from the packaging and you can see here this is one of the latest Seiko turtle models, and this is the dark Manta, right? It's got that fantastic textured dial here, dark blue with Manta ray laser etching, just fantastic looking. And this latest release of Manta ray edition, I think they come with a new design of rubber straps. Alright, it's very different from the previous ones where you get two grooves here, ripples or grooves here. So this one here is, I would say, is almost a flat profile with some chamfering here by the side, of course. So here you can see from the hang tag that this is indeed a Save the Ocean series or a special edition. And let's just do a quick check on the reference number. Alright, and here you can see the reference number is SRPF77K1. So this is the international release edition. So let me just get the packaging out of the way. I'm pretty sure this is not the standard Save the Ocean series packaging, because those watches, they come in a very big retail box, very well designed with special logo and text going on. So with the packaging out of the way, I've now zoomed in just a little bit for you to take a closer look at this beautiful Manta ray dial, the dark Manta. Alright, so in terms of movement, case design, case build quality, it's no different from a very standard SRP series turtle. Alright, of course with the newer editions, we've got some upgrades such as notably a sapphire crystal. We've got a ceramic bezel insert, and of course there's this addition of a Cyclops lens here, done in a candy bar or pillowcase kind of styling. It is not for me. Alright, I gotta tell you up front, this Cyclops lens is definitely no go for me, but I'm pretty sure many watch collectors, watch fans out there, they dig this kind of things. Let's do a really quick check on the handset and the handset alignment. So this is the 4R36 movement, and you know, like a workhorse movement, very reliable, very robust. Okay, so you see, for the newer Seiko watches, I think they've really upped the QC this time around. So alignment is all good. Bezel alignment, you can see, is spot on here. Alright, so no issues at all. Now let's go and check the bezel clicks and alignment. Very standard soft Seiko clicks here, and it's got a 120 click mechanism and really nice alignment here. Alright, there's a bit of play going on. You can see I can more or less adjust the alignment to my liking and preference, so not an issue here. So as mentioned earlier, this watch here, it follows, you know, exactly the same case build construction of the SRP turtle series, the regular ones, and I would say, you know, there's nothing much to complain about this series. And now with the addition of sapphire crystal ceramic bezel insert, I think, you know, this is going to be a huge plus for many Seiko fans out there, myself included. Alright, I'm a big fan of these upgrades, but you know, just not the Cyclops here. So also worth mentioning that this new rubber strap here looks really nice, and you know, the quality is the same. It's a softer version of the new silicone strap with the Tsunami logo here. Very nice quality, and I kind of prefer this design these days. I think the ridges and all that kind of makes the watch look a bit more toolish, so I really think this new design here is much better looking. And here's a look at the case back of the watch. You can see there's a special edition inscription here, much like the Save the Ocean White Shark series I have on my Samurai. Just take a look at that dial, the texturing, the color, and you can see those Manta ray inscriptions around the 7-8 o'clock area. Right, we've got 2 here. I think you've got a few more around the 4 o'clock area. It's just really fantastic looking here, this watch. Alright, so I think the dial alone is probably worth the asking price of these watches. Right, so overall just a really good looking special edition dark Manta version of the Seiko Turtle here. Stay tuned for the full length review coming out in a few weeks. Thank you very much for tuning in. Bye bye.